for a long time, and that's because we've been too busy to even edit, vlog, or anything. So yeah, we haven't really been doing much. But welcome back.
I think siguro na din sa weather, but yes, welcome back sa inyo. Welcome back sa channel namin. And
this vlog is another food vlog of the food places that we tried recently. One is Zubu and one is Paul. Yeah, Zubu is in Burnaby and then by Metrotown, and
Kingsway.
then Paul is Paul.
Hindi pala, sorry. Sa may Central Boulevard pala yun. Paul is nasa Burrard Street.
Burrard ba yun? Parang
Robson, sorry. Robson.
Mali sikat. Oh my God.
Sorry.
Okay.
Nasa Robson.
Yeah, the first restaurant is Zubu that we tried, and here it is.
Kukuha ko ng chashu bowl, yung pork chashu bowl.
Pork chashu bowl. Ako, ito kukunin ko. Yung bone marrow ramen. It's kind of expensive, but they're special. So we're gonna try it. And I think that's it. Right?
We're also gonna get dessert.
Dessert, yeah. We ordered the takoyaki for appetizer. Nice. Looks good. Oh, this is mine. Can I see yours? Wow! I'm so happy with this one. Eat off. But it's so big. What is this? Cherry blossom something. Oh, looks so pretty. Wow. I think it's cheesecake, right?
I don't think so. Come on, let's try.
Did you like Zubu?
Zubu for me.
Natatandaan mo ba yung kinuha mo dun?
I think sa akin 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Maybe me. I mean, nagustuhan ko siya, pero hindi yung I love this, I want to come back like as soon as possible. So siguro sa akin 6 out of 10 siya. Kasi
Pero
gutom ako nun eh.
In fairness, masarap yung sabaw na in-order ni Kim.
Nagustuhan ni Kat, pero ako hindi ko masyado na-feel.
Or siguro dahil sabik din ako sa sabaw nun. Parang pareho tayo gutom eh. So yung in-order ko, chashu bowl, di ba? Chashu pork.
Masarap yung rice nung chashu bowl. Yeah.
Masyadong marami. Usually pag nag-order kami or kumakain kami sa mga ganun, like yung sa Kokoro na kumain kami, chashu lagi yung in-order ko. And in fairness, masarap naman yung chashu nila. Diba?
Masarap. And it was soft. I remember it being soft. Mine was quite expensive, to be honest. Mine was $22.
Kasi malaki yung bone marrow.
Kasi may bone marrow. And then, parang very rare siya na makita na parang may bone marrow or something. Hindi siya, it's not common. So, but it's $22. Kaya, yun lang yung masyadong, that's kind of pricey.
Yeah, but guys, if you wanna try it and then hindi kayo sure kung makakaubos kayo, you can share it with one person siguro or maybe 3. Kasi nahirapan din naman kaming ubusin. Oo, yung pagkain na yun. Kasi malaki yung servings nila. So, I think it's okay.
Mas inubos namin yung ramen kasi tapos binaon na lang ni Kat yung leftovers.
Hindi ako nagbaon.
Ay, ako pala, kumain pala ako ng leftovers ng chashu bowl. Kasi yung ramen hindi na masarap after. Yeah. But 6 out of 10 and then 10 out of 10. So that's 8 out of 10. Still pretty good.
Yeah. Kung pupunta kayo doon, siguro, sa time kasi na pumunta kami, masyado maraming tao.
Yeah. So,
Reserve. Pa-reserve. So, ayun na nga, guys. And, yung next namin na nakakainan, bago lang siya nag-open dito sa Vancouver. Marami pa din tao.
Yeah. Siguro mga 6 months?
Hindi pa nga nakaabot ata ng 6 months.
Feeling ko 6 months na yun.
Feeling ko hindi pa nakaabot ng 6 months yun. But yeah, mga patisserie sila, mga, ano bang klaseng food meron sila?
It's French food, I think. Yeah, they're originally established in France somewhere. Tapos very first na branch nila dito sa Vancouver.
So yeah, pangalan ay Paul, and ito yung video na papakita namin sa inyo.
Anong masasabi mo sa Paul?
Maraming tao. Inaantay pa namin yung order namin.
Sabi niya, inaantay pa namin yung order namin. Tapos, gutom na siya. Gutom na rin ako.
Ikaw?
Ako, okay lang naman. It's really nice interior. Tingnan nyo. Guys, gusto ko yung ganyan. Parang natural sunlight. And then, yung couch nila, yung seats nila and like everything is really nice. And then, ayun, may bar doon for the baked goods. So, yeah. We had a reservation booked last week. Tapos, hindi tayo nakapunta. So, nagpabook kami ulit for this week.
Nagpabook kami for today?
Yeah, for today. And then, maraming tao pag hindi kayo nagpabook, maghihintay kayo na matagal. Tapos, nagpark kami sa labas, street parking, $4 for 1 hour. Diba?
True. 4.
Yeah, hintayin lang namin yung food namin. Tapos, video tayo ulit. Okay, so this one is Cafe Miel. And then, yung sayo is Paul Mocha. Ayan. Wow. Wait, let me see. Wow. May heart yung sayo. Ano? Sarap? So, here's mine. Mine is a salmon benedict. And then, Kat got, ano yan sa'yo?
French toast.
French toast. French toast yung kay Kat. Ayan. Tapos, ang akin naman, ito. Wow. Masarap. Yung akin din masarap. Tapos, tingnan nyo may pa-petals pa sila. Fancy. Fancy. So, Paul Soriano, if you're watching, masarap. Guys, masarap yung akin. Tapos masarap din yung coffee ko. Hindi ko alam kung kay Kat, ganun din yung experience. Tapos maganda pa yung music.
Ito lang mag-order.
Ano?
Sino pa bang mag-order?
Go! Parang egg pa ito.
Masarap yung crispy.
compare ng pricing ng kanilang mga coffees. Guys, mahal yung ano nila, mga ano ba yun?
Ano?
Mga things nila, mga food. Kasi ang ganda ng box. Tignan nyo, oh. Wow! Patingin nga ng box. Wow!
So, yun na nga. Yun yung in-order namin sa Paul. Yung in-order ko, very plain lang. Kasi siguro, masyadong gutom na ako and masyado na maraming pumapasok sa isip ko. Gusto ko ng burger, gusto ko ng French toast, pero mas nananaig sa akin na mag-order ng French toast na plain at saka
Pero pinagsisihan niya kasi masyadong plain yung in-order niya.
Oo.
And nag-crave siya ng chicken burger after.
Nag-crave ako ng chicken burger after. I think hindi na-satisfy yung hinahanap ng
Palate mo.
Oo. Tapos, guys, ang sarap ng kape, di ba?
Oh my God. I got yung cafe miel. Tapos sikat.
Paul Miel?
No, cafe. Paul miel.
Ay, akin pala yung Paul Mocha.
Ay, nakakainis na. Tulungan. Lord, if you're watching, please.
Sorry, medyo nag-aano na yung utak ko ngayon. Pero, yeah, masarap yung kape nila. Nag-order ako ng Paul Mocha. Si Kim nag-order siya ng Cafe Miel. And guys, oh my God.
Ang coffee roasters nila is Parallel
49.
49, and it's one of the coffee shops that we like and the coffee beans that we like.
Yeah.
So it was really nice.
True.
And then may isa kaming tinake out na hindi namin nasali sa video. Yung nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ni. Pero para siyang sige lang, ihi ka lang dyan. Para siyang egg pie. Tapos it was very good, right?
Ah, yeah.
Diba?
Oo.
Kinain na namin dito sa bahay. Yung nakita niyo sa box, yun na yung yung kinain namin. It's very good.
Oo.
Yeah.
Also, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, masyado kami mahilig ni Kim sa kape. So, we might be showing you guys yung
A lot of coffee shops.
yes, and kasali na yung Parallel 49 na sinabi namin because medyo masarap talaga siya. First try ba natin yung Parallel 49 3 years ago? 2 years ago?
Siguro, 3
Yeah,
years.
mga ganon. But yeah, i-share din namin yan sa inyo.
Yeah. Yung food ko naman was Eggs Benedict. I always get the salmon one, and that one was really, really good. The price is, kano ba yung akin? Mga $20? About?
19, 20.
About that. And I think it's worth it. Kasi maganda yung restaurant. Ambience is good. Service was good. Tapos, very chic. And maganda yung music. And then, our
Service.
bill was, I forgot how much. I think it was like $60.
Yeah, mga ganon.
Oo, $60. Kasi, 22 yung akin. 22. And then, yung coffee was around $6 and something. Almost $7. And then, same din yung kay Kat. So, we paid like $59 for 2 meals. So, that's $30 each.
Yeah. Ang
Yeah.
sarap, guys. So, kung gusto niyo pumunta doon, mag-visit doon, yeah.
True. And it's, brunch and lunch. And they also have dinner. Pero if you're gonna go there, also, just make a reservation because a lot of people were waiting. And when we got there, we were even late. And we got in right away. We sat down right away. So, it was good. So, always make a reservations when dining in Vancouver. Kasi nga, grabe guys, kahit akalain nyo na hindi sikat yung place, hindi well-known or luma na, may lineup pa rin. Kasi people like eating here.
Also, ngayon, nanonotice namin na bumabalik na yung mga patio ng mga
Yeah, kasi summer na.
So, yeah, if gusto niyo mag-explore ng mga pagkainan, make sure na may reservation kayo. Or kung hindi naman, siguro naman, kung willing to wait kayo, pwede.
True.
Go explore. Masarap
Yeah.
yung mga pagkainan dito.
But anyways, guys, that's all for today's vlog, and thank you all for watching.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!